the Right Honorable Prime Minister, wazee wetu wote, wazee kutoka Ujaluoni na wazee kutoka Kikuyuni, pamoja na viongozi wetu wote ambao wamepata nafasi ya kufika hapa leo, amjamboni. Amjamboni tena Juthurwa. Ngaine mwega. Na industry ode. Basi karibuni. I want to concur with a few sentiments, and that is really to encourage that after the Right Honorable Prime Minister has given us his words of wisdom, then we don't talk much. However, I would like to add my voice to this beautiful thing that has started taking place. And to speak the truth, wananchi wenzangu, ukienda Migori utapata jamii kubwa ya Wakikuyu ambao wanafanya business huko. What they need is peace, love, and that unity that we are now talking about here. And over the years, the people who have really suffered are the Kikuyu community, because in the quest of trying to expand their businesses, they ventured into several areas, several counties. And there was a very good time when the Kikuyus were even living with us in the villages. I really admired that. Unfortunately, when now war broke out after the disputed presidential results in 2007, they had to move away because they feared for their lives or for their safety. So the Right Honorable Prime Minister, I think you are really taking us to the right path, and this is something that all of us should support. Personally, I support this initiative. And BBI, the Right Honorable Prime Minister, you have told us time and again that it talks about inclusivity. Let us embrace one another so that we feel part and parcel of the God's original community. We are still God's community. God created one man, one wife, and from them all of us are now here. So let us embrace that. I'm also happy with some proposals that we have had here, that tukitoka hapa we can adopt maybe a Luo adopting a Kikuyu and vice versa. Si namna hiyo? Yes, so personally I'm ready. I want to adopt some. I want to adopt one. So sijui kama nyinyi ndio mtapatia ni nani ni adopt sasa hivi. Na sisi pia baba, vile umesema watu 12 watoke hapa waende watembelee Wakikuyu. Nataka nikuombe tu, kama utakuwa na nafasi ya kuchagua au 12, hata mimi pia uniite kidogo. Otherwise, asanteni sana wageni wetu. Safiri salama mkirudi nyumbani. Tuko pamoja na tusiwachane wakati huu. Wacha tutembee hii njia pamoja mpaka tufike Kanaani. Asanteni sana.